Block niggas, I love my block niggas. Block niggas, I can hear you talking. Put your money where your mouth is, let's get to walking. Claim to be a boss, but your crew ain't eating. Spent your whole re-up on my Cleveland Brown season. There's nothing over here, dog, this is what we do. New 500, cause my last one wasn't blue. New bad bitch, cause my last one wasn't true. I done counted a million, fam, how about you? Never beat the street lights on, we was on it. Credit to 20 Block, just me and a couple homies. 20 deep in the Chevy, yeah, we was on it. Lost a part of me, man, the day I lost my homie. Rest in peace, T-Rock, you gon' live through these moments. Lights, camera, action, I can see you here posing. Bitch nigga exposing, this rap game is eroded. Fake niggas chosen, tight jeans posing. Damn, I lost my homie, these niggas too phony. Block niggas, damn, I love my block niggas. Block niggas, damn, I miss my block nigga. Damn, I hear my block niggas. Block niggas, damn, I love my block niggas. Block niggas, damn, I miss my block. Damn, I miss my block nigga. To my blocks that ain't gone, not lost or forgotten. Not in a rush to get there, we gon' finish what we started. Tell all my niggas not to chase these hoes. I lost one of my closest cause he chased hoes. Out here on the road, man, I'm trying to bring it back. Ask God to watch over my family, I make it back. No more shackles, no more stripes. No more commissary lights on all night. But it seems these dreams far-fetched. Brother in the feds, my mother's tears ain't through yet. Should I clutch the tech and keep my head to the sky? Woke up one morning contemplating suicide, but I shook that thought real quickly. Picture me killing me, I just caught my Bentley.
Picture me killing me, I just caught my Bentley.
So I stay abreast and I focus on survival. One of the rules of power is to crush all rivals. Out here on a mission, money tall like iPhone. ATF at my door, they heard about the rifles. NRA on the couch, we play the game Monopoly. Tell the DA, man, ain't no stopping me. Block nigga.
Tell the DA, man, ain't no stopping me.
Block niggas, damn, I love my block niggas. Block niggas, damn, I miss my block nigga. Damn, I hear my block niggas. Block niggas, damn, I love my block niggas. Block niggas, damn, I miss my block. Damn, I miss my block nigga. The meaning of a block nigga, the one that had your back. Dirty ass knife, low stuck in the trap. Started off close together, traded lunch sacks. You fight, I ain't there, we going right back. Remember that time we went to Brian and got it in. 20 young niggas out there getting it in. Rest in peace to Warren Richardson. One of the realest niggas that ever got it in. Block nigga.